Hello guys, today I'm unboxing Good Vibes Activated Charcoal Detox Handmade Soap Bar. It's a pack of 3, no parabens, no animal testing. Its quantity is 100 gram. Good Vibes Charcoal Soap is ideal for deep cleansing. It will leave you with a fresh and natural feel for the rest of your day. It minimizes pore size that makes your skin smoother. A shower with Good Vibes charcoal soap will fight acne, remove toxins from your skin, and will help you get rid of excess oil. It also deodorizes your body. You can walk out all cleansed, feeling refreshed and flawless in your own skin. That's all about this product. If you liked my video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more such videos. Thank you.